guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a quick haul. So recently there were a couple of sales going on Amazon. So I picked up a few essential items, like few things that I really needed. And these are more into like beauty sort of a segment. They're not going to be skincare products or anything. I think I might as well do another video on that. But these are solely like some other tools and all that I needed. So now without further ado, let's get started. Let's start with one of the biggest purchases. Now, I really want Dyson. I think I'm going to add Dyson in my 2025 wish list. Like I've made an entire vision board for this year. I'm going to do the same for next year. But before investing that 45,000 in Dyson, I was like, I really need to get used to using these tools because I'm really not. Like I'm so bad at styling my hair. So I was like, you know what, Himani, let's learn. Let's like kind of utilize this time before you add it into your wish list. So I wanted like a hair dryer, a blow dry brush, a bit cheaper version. So I found this one from Agaro. It's the volumizer brush and hair dryer from Agaro. Very affordable. I think it retails for like 5,000 or something, but I got it for 2,200 during the Amazon sale. You can check it out right now also. The best part is it comes with a blow dryer brush as well as the hair dryer. I've tried it out. Amazing. I really need to just utilize more time to kind of find my way on how I'm going to style. So I had Alan Truman's blow dry brush. I had got it 2 years back. My brother took it and I have a bit of this issue that I don't want to use that brush anymore. So I bought myself one finally. So this, okay, it comes with two plugins. That's great. Like I told you, first you have is this volumizing plugin where you can, use it as a straightener, come blow dry a brush, style it up. So I really want to look up for like good videos and learn so that, whenever I end up getting Dyson, I'm not like a beginner or a noob trying it out. And of course you get this entire Agaro ka tool. The color is also really pretty, a purple color. You guys know it's one of my favorite colors. And the main important tool, which is this hair dryer. I love this hair dryer brush as well. Very similar to the Dyson one as well. So I finally got my hands on this. It was a really good deal and the product itself is super good. So I cannot wait to learn these tools and how I can style my hair in different ways. So yeah, this was one of the biggest purchases that I did. And I think I got it at a great deal. Like I saw Agaro also has like a Dyson Dupe for 11,000, but I'm like, why to spend 11,000 when I will get Dyson later on? So yeah, got this one. The next is a wallet. So whenever I wear sling bags, I cannot fit in my Zoop ka bada wallet. It's just too huge. So I wanted something sleek and something that can easily go inside my sling bag. So I picked up this very pretty wallet from Lino Perros. I'd shown you guys this in my budgeting videos and you guys really wanted the link, so I'll put the link now. It's a beautiful compact wallet and I am a bit religious and a bit superstitious as well, and my mom had told me that if you buy wallet you should buy red in color. So I tried to get it in red color itself. I got this beautiful one and it's got a little zip pouch as well where you can store in like your cash, as cards, and even some change. And then you've got this opener where you can put in your cards, and then over here you can put in your cash as well. So everyday use, I have my big Zoop wallet with my cash and loves when I go to work. But if I'm going out and I'm carrying a sling bag, this is very compact and comfortable. So I got my hands on this. I've not even removed like these plastics on these things. I'll remove it later, but it's really good. Then I put up my vlog of the wedding that I had attended of my cousin brother, and I had shown you guys these beautiful earrings and you guys really loved it. These are like jhumkas come like Chand Bali sort of an earring. They are so pretty. I got them at a very good deal on Amazon. I'll leave the links below. Just look at them. How beautiful. They're going to be perfect for the current season as well, the festive season. So I think I got them for like just 200 rupees or something from Amazon. So beautiful. They went with all of my outfits. The other thing that I got are face brushes. So I really wanted some makeup face brushes. I wanted a foundation brush. So I picked this one up from Swiss Beauty. It's their foundation blender brush. I used it with the foundation. It's just that it kind of leaves a bit more like brush stiples on my face. It works really well for contour. So that's what I'm using for now. And then I wanted to kind of revamp my brush sets. I have a lot of them from Miniso and some other ones, which was like a layman, like generic brand. So I wanted to throw those away. So I got the trusted ones from Mars. I have the Mars golden brushes set. I'll leave that link below as well. Those have become ridiculously expensive now. Earlier when I think I bought them for like 800 rupees or 700 rupees. But because they are so good quality and they are popular in demand, Mars have increased their prices. But then I also wanted something like this, because when I traveled this time for a wedding and I did like a proper makeup, I realized makeup brushes are really important, and I was carrying like a travel one and it doesn't work. So I ended up getting this Mars Tools of Titans brush set. It comes in this really nice bottle box, whatever you want to call, case, and it's good for traveling as well. And it comes with very good quality brushes. I haven't opened this, I'll probably open it later on, but yeah, good quality brushes. It's going to be great. So yeah, this was at a good deal, good discounts. I picked this one up. Very important. So yeah, I was happy that I got my hands on these Mars brushes. Brushes are so important. Even if you do like makeup rarely like me, just for the videos, still you need good quality brushes. And Mars have been just killing it with their cosmetics game lately. The last item that I purchased was a Zouk bag. So I did collab with Zouk and I got their bags, but then I gave that back to my mommy, and then my mom also wanted a very similar bag, so I ended up getting the same thing. And on Amazon I found it at like good 50-60% off. So I'll insert the clip of the bag here. So yeah guys, those were all the purchases that I did during the sale time. I mean, I'll do a separate video on few of the skincare items that I got, and of course I've given you a lot of these recommendations. Like, I would request you guys to subscribe to my channel, because before all of these sales I share some recommendations and some great deals that will be bang for your buck. So yeah, this was the video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you do, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.